this, guys. Whoa! Yeah, baby. Wow. What? Put it up there. Ah!
August 29th, Seward, Alaska. Box unload. Took 5 people out today, and we had an awesome time. We headed out to about 80 feet of water. Gotta check out these fish, guys. It's out of control out there today. We got black rockfish, of course. You guys ever seen one this big? Oh man. Like this big Lingcod. Big Lingcod. Oh, another big Lingcod. You guys got another big Lingcod? Oh my goodness. Can she hold it up? Can she hold it up? Check this out. Oh, it might be too much for her. And another big Lingcod. Oh, what could that be? Another big Lingcod. Yo. A 22-pound Yelloweye. Wow. 22 pounds. Don't forget this big Lingcod. This is a quillback. Yelloweye rockfish. Yelloweye. Oh my lord, look at the size of that Yelloweye. Yes. Woo! Halibut. Yeah, baby. This is our box somewhere. Check this fish out. Yeah, baby. Oh my goodness. Yeah, baby. Woo! Last small cap adventures all day, baby. Look at that beauty. Oh, no, there we go. Look at him. Oh, wow. That thing was like 45 inches. Good job, guys. Awesome day.